clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so today we are going to do how to find the factors of a given number with the multiplication method.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I was telling that have you received my Google form?
Those who are doing, I am receiving them. Those who are not doing, they know about their work that they are not doing.
Ma'am, I have also submitted
Now,
my.
particularly, I will give their names on the classroom and on the ERP. I'll send them the message so that they will come to know that they are not sending. Okay. So now today we are going. Everyone can see my board. Good morning, Sarah. Welcome, Sarah. Good morning. Pay
Ma'am, can
attention
you
here.
this side because we can't see this side. Okay.
Yes. So today we are going to do the factors, how to calculate the factors with the multiplication method. First, you have to see at the board and then I will tell you to write in the notebook. Factors by multiplication method. Why I am identifying the specific method? Because we are going to learn the factors by different methods also. So how to find the factors by multiplication method? So first we find the factors of 12. We need to check that 12 comes in which table. That is the factor. Then first we multiply the 12 with the 1. 1 multiplied by 12 equals to 12. Then 12 comes in table of 2. How many times 12 comes in table of 2?
2 6 12.
2 6 are 12. 3 into 4 is also 12. This way, keep your mics off, my dear. Yes. This way we will check till the 10 and then we'll stop. In every factor, we check till 10 and then we stop. And if we see that the numbers are started repeating, then also we will stop. So 2 into 6 is 12, 3 into 4 is 12. Now 5 in table of
Anubhavi,
5.
switch off your mic. Anubhavi Gupta. Others are getting disturbed because of you. Anubhavi Gupta, switch off your mic. Still you have not switched it off.
In table of 5 is 12 comes? Yes or no?
No.
No.
No,
In
ma'am.
table of 6, 12
Venu ma'am.
comes? Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Venu ma'am, Anubhavi
Yes.
Gupta, Devanshi Virani. These people are not switching off their mic. Devanshi Virani, Anubhavi Gupta.
Okay. Ma'am, I'll check. If I have a right, I'll switch off.
Now she
Please
has
still and
switched
switch
off.
off.
Yes, she has.
Yes. So is Jaival is in table of 5, 12 comes?
No, ma'am. In the table of
Okay.
6.
Okay. Om Patel in table of 5, 12 comes?
No, ma'am.
Tejasvi. Next, which is the number in which 12 comes? In which table 12 comes?
6.
6.
In
How
the
many
table of
times?
6.
How many times?
6 to
So
2
6 is also here and 2 is also here, right? Am I clear till here? So now if the
Yes.
numbers,
Yes,
you can see that now if you do 6 into 12, it means that now numbers are repeating. Yes? So you will not do with the repeated numbers now. And you will stop. And you will take this U method which we have done yesterday also. And which we have done in grade 4 also. So now what are the factors of 12? 1, 2, 3, then 4, 6, 12. So 1, 2, 3. You don't have to write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 factors. No, you have to write all the factors. Tejasvi, yes? Those were
Excuse me, ma'am. You have to write this.
wait. So
Okay,
1,
ma'am.
2, 3, 4, 6, 12. These are the factors of 12. Swati ma'am, can you please switch off your mic? It's on, ma'am, still. So, now what you have noticed here, Arush Verma, Nishika Agarwal. Arush Verma, can you tell me what have you noticed here in the factors of 12? What have you noticed here? Who will tell me? Raise your hand. That what have you noticed here in the factors of 12? Yes, Vihan, tell me.
Ma'am, first we'll do the U method and then this side 1, 2, 3 and then 12, 6, 4 are the factors of the.
Okay. So first I want to tell you that every number is a factor of 1 also. Yes. 1 is always a factor of every number and the number itself is always a factor of every number. This thing you will please note. Two factors are fixed. One is 1 and the another is the number itself. If I will give you to find the factors of 13, then 1 and 13 is fixed. Two factors are fixed of every number. That 1 and the number itself, because the number is also divisible by 1 exactly, and the number is divisible by itself also exactly with no remainder. That is why the 1 and the number itself is two fixed factors of every number. Am I clear to everyone? Yes. Now, first I will show you video, then you will write this sum in the notebook. So I'm going to play the video on factors. You have to listen all the pointers which you have to note down, like properties. You don't need to note down right now. When I will send you video in the classroom, you have to write the properties in the notebook. What are the properties of factors? Properties of factors means what are the pointers which we should remember. Fine? Am I clear to everyone? Yes. So along with the video, I will also explain you what are the pointers or points to remember in the factors. My screen is visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now if you keep your microphones off, then only you will able to listen it.
By the factor of a number. Let us take the number 12. To begin with, let us find out the pairs of numbers that give 12 as their product.
See, which pair of numbers we multiply so that we get 12. Same way we
One.
apply with other number also, that which two numbers we multiply to get that number.
Into 12 is equal to 12. 2 into 6 is equal to 12. 3 into 4 is equal to 12. So, we get 3 pairs of numbers that give us the product 12. No other pair of numbers, when multiplied, will give the product 12. Now, let us take each pair of number separately and understand what it means. Let us take the first pair. 1 into 12 is equal to 12.
Now we will check it with the division also, that they are exactly divisible by the
Here,
number.
when we divide 12 by 1, we get the quotient as 12. And when we divide 12 by 12, we get the quotient as 1. In both the cases, the remainder is 0. Thus, it means that 12 is divisible by 1 and 12. Pair 2. 2 into 6 is equal to 12. Here, when we divide 12 by 2, we get the quotient as 6.
You are observing here, when we are dividing, we are getting no remainder. It means that number is exactly divisible by the other number.
And if we divide 12 by 6, we get the quotient as 2. In both the cases, the remainder is 0. Thus, it means that 12 is divisible by 2 and 6. Pair 3. 3 into 4 is equal to 12. Here, if we divide 12 by 3, we get the quotient as 4. And if we divide 12 by 4, we get the quotient as 3. Here also, we get the remainder as 0 in both the divisions. Thus, it means that 12 is divisible by 3 and 4. Thus,
You understood till here, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
we now understand that 12 is divisible by 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12.
Have you noticed here? They have taken 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12.
Hence,
Yes, ma'am.
we say that the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12 are the factors of 12. Hence, we can
See, when I will send you the Google form, and when you write the factors, you have to write these factors, and when the last factor is coming, you have to put the and also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. So when I will send you the Google form, based on the different numbers, you need to find the factors in the notebook and just only write these factors, because in Google form you will not get the space to solve it in the U method. That method you apply in the notebook and get the final factors, only these many, not this line also you will not write. Factors of 12, that also you will not write. You only write that these are the factors of this number, but before the last number you have to write and also.
define factor of a number as a number which
Now, please pay attention what is exactly the factor means.
exactly divides the given number. Or we can say that factors are numbers you can multiply together to get given number. Now, let us look at certain points which we need
These are the points to remember.
to understand related
And these points also you are going to write in the notebook. When I will send you this video in the classroom, please copy it down, all the pointers, write the chapter name, write the important notes of this chapter, and then start
to a
writing the
factor
pointers.
with the help of some examples. Point 1. 1 is a factor of every number. Look at
As
the
I said you before also, 1 is a factor of every number. Blindly, when I will give you, write the factors of 72. So blindly, first factor is the 72 is 1.
examples. 1 into 6 is equal to 6. 8 divided by 1 is equal to 8. Thus, 1 multiplied by any number gives the number itself as the product, and any number divided by 1 also gives the number itself as the quotient. Hence, we conclude that 1 is a factor of every number. Point 2. Every number is a factor of itself.
As I said in the beginning, every number is a factor of itself. So, two factors are fixed of every number. First is 1 and first is the number itself. If I say to write the factors of 32, then 1 and 32, two factors are fixed of every number.
We know that 6 into 1 is equal to 6. 8 divided by 8 is equal to 1. Thus, any number multiplied by 1 gives the number itself as the product, and any number divided by itself gives 1 as the quotient. Hence, every number is a factor of itself. 3. The factor of a number is always less than or equal.
Yes, please, this is also the point to remember. If I say write the factors of 32, right? Am I audible to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. If I say write the factors of 32, so it should click in your mind that all the factors of 32 should be less than 32 or equal to 32, because 32 anyways has to come, is a factor of 32. But other factors should be less than 32 or equal to 32. You cannot write the factor of 32 as 64, 72, 42 or any number which should go more than 32 is not the factor of 32, because the factors of a number is always less than the number or equal to the number. Am I clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Equal to the number. Look at the factors of 12 which we found out earlier. They are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. Note that the factors 1, 2, 3, 4 and 6 are less than 12, and the last factor 12 is equal to 12. Thus, it shows that the factor of a number is always less than or equal to the number. 4. Every number except 1 has at least 2 factors, 1 and the number.
As I said, the one except 1, because 1 is a unique number, not a prime number. We will learn about what are prime numbers, what are composite numbers, what are whole numbers. That will be our next topic. But till now, we should know that 1 is the number which is having only one factor, not more than one. But other numbers should have at least 2 factors. At least 2 factors, we are clear, right? Now I had explained you that 1 and the number itself, 2 factors are fixed for every number. But more than 2, then you have to calculate which are the other factors of the given number. But at least 2 factors are fixed for every number.
Itself. Let us
See,
look
here also given 1 and the number itself. 2 factors
at
are
the
fixed.
factors of 7. They are
7 is which number? Can you tell me? Is the prime number, composite number or even number? Which number is 7? Can you tell me what is 7? 7 is the prime. We have learned in grade 4 also. 7 is a prime number, composite number, odd number, even number.
Prime number.
Prime
So,
number.
Judge? Yes.
Prime
7 is a prime number. Very good. So prime numbers, we will learn how to find the prime numbers. But till now, you should know that the prime numbers only will have 2 factors. Fine. So 7 comes in the prime number. Children, just guide me whether my video will be visible. Wait, I will present it again.
Ma'am, it's visible.
I will present.
It has gone, your presentation.
Yes,
has
yes.
gone. And ma'am, what is given in the video, that all we have to write?
Pointers you have to write. All the pointers.
Ma'am, it is visible. It is visible.
Yes.
have to write.
So,
Ma'am, it's visible.
Devanshi, whatever are the queries, please ask me later on.
1 and 7.
See,
No
7 is a prime number. So, all the prime numbers. And now, what are the prime numbers? Prime numbers are the numbers which have only 2 factors. And how to find the prime numbers? That is our next topic, which we will learn on Monday. So 7 is a prime number. All the prime numbers will have two factors. First is 1 and the number itself.
Pair of numbers, when multiplied together, will give the product 7. That is, the number 7 has at least two factors, 1 and 7. That is, number 1 and the number 7 itself. Hence, we can say that every number except 1 has at least two factors, 1 and the number itself. Do remember these points properly. They will help you to find the number 30. The pair.
So now your task is to wait. I will give you. So I hope you all are clear what are the factors and how to find the factors with the multiplication method and what are the points to be remembered when we are finding the factors. Are you all clear till now? Show me thumbs up. If you are not clear,
Yes,
I
ma'am.
will repeat it again.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Rehan, you are clear?
Yes, ma'am, we are clear.
Those who are clear, show me thumbs up. If you are not clear, I will repeat it again and then I'll start my questions what to ask. Am I clear to everyone? Yes. So now I will give you one number. Fast, quickly do this method in your notebook with the U method and find the factors of that number. The number is, find the factors of factors of 30. Quickly find out with the U method in your notebook and write the answer in the chat box. Aryan, let others also to complete. Let others also to complete. Please, Vedansh, welcome, my
Right,
dear. Please write it in the notebook fast. Vedansh, you stay in the class at last.
Ma'am,
I
can
know you
I
have to go in the next class, but you have to wait 2 minutes after the class. Yes.
I have written in the chat box.
Okay. You have to give me the green signal whether I should do write in the on the board or you all are doing in your notebook fast. You all are doing? Yes? Okay.
Yes, ma'am, we are doing one.
Fast. Find the factors of 30 with multiplication method. Are you all sitting with your notebooks today? Why, Vihan? Vihan, I want that you should solve in your notebook.
Ma'am.
Please solve it fast.
Ma'am, I solved.
Write today's date and do it in a proper way. Those who have done 30, they will find the factors of 45. Then find the factors of 27. Find the factors of 50. This is your classwork today. Homework I will send in the Google form. Solve it in the notebook. Click the final answer or write the final answer in the Google form. And don't forget to write and at the last, before the last factor. Am I clear to everyone?
I have written of 45 also.
So before 45, you should write and 45 and no comma before the last number. I will show you the factors of 30.
Ma'am, why 45? Ma'am, why 45? 45 will not come in 30.
No, you are going to write the
Ma'am, after
factors of these numbers. This is not the solution. First sum, second sum, third sum, and the fourth sum.
Ma'am, now what we have to find? 45.
Yes, factors of 45, factors of 27, factors of 50. Please write the questions fast so that I will explain you how to find the factors of 30. I will do it here. Can I do it here? This part is visible to you all.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I have written 27 also.
Factors of 30 I am doing here. So I will start with 1, right? As I said, 1 is the factor of every number. So 1 multiplied by 30 is 30. Next, 30 comes in the table of 2. How many times?
2 15s are 30.
2 15s are 30.
10 3s are 30.
3 10s are 30.
30. 5 6 are 30.
5 6 are 30.
10 3s are 30.
So in table of 7, 30 comes.
No, ma'am.
In table of 8, 30 comes.
No, ma'am.
In table of 9, 30 comes.
No, ma'am.
So what is the last table? Because we will check only till 10.
5
Okay.
6 are 30. 5 6 are 30.
And it is 5 6 are 30 is done. 6 5 are 30. Then 6 5 are 30 means it is repeating, right?
So, no,
Yeah.
ma'am. Now it will be
So
repeated.
we will not take. So we take 10 3s are.
Ma'am, in chat box I have given all the answers.
10 3s are 30.
Written all the answers.
Okay, very good if you have written. So now write all the factors in one line.
Shika has done wrong
So
of
factors
50.
of 30 are 1, 2, 3, 5, 10, 3 is coming again, right? So we will not write the 3 again, which we have already done, right? So we will not write it again here. So we will take after 5, we take 6. We start U method from here only. We will not take 10 3s are 30 again because it will already come here. 3 10s are 30. It means it is repeating now. So we stop. When you see that the factors are started repeating, we will not take it again. We stop. Am I clear to everyone? So next is 6, then is 30, 10, then is 15, then is 30, and 30. Last is and 30. So these are the factors of 30. This way you have to solve the factors of 45, factors of 27, factors of... No answers in the chat box now. Please solve them in your notebook. Please solve them in your notebook. All the factors. Write down the questions first and leave the space so that you can do after the class also. But if you will not write the questions, then you will not have what to do.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
There is 45, then 25 because
It
I
is
can't see.
27.
Okay, 27 and 50.
27 and 50. Yes. Mayank Sharma and Vedans, you have to wait for 2 minutes after the class. Neeral, please solve it. Solve it in your notebook.
Ma'am, I'm not getting about 45.
You're not getting the
Ma'am,
factors of 45? Vrushika, solve. Riva, are you doing? Switch on your camera. Switch on your camera, everyone. Yash Malhotra, you are writing in your notebook? Can we check the factors of 45? Okay. I can erase the board. Have you written all the questions? Vihan,
Yes,
you
ma'am.
are writing. You have written all the questions, Vihan. Copy down all the questions. How many you have solved, my dear? Yes, after 27, not 26. After 27 is 50. Vihan, how many you have solved in your notebook?
Ma'am, I'm doing 27.
Very good. You have done with 45?
Done.
Okay. Can you tell me what are the factors of 45 so that when I will do and I will be sure that Vihan has done right? Can you tell me what are the factors of 45?
5, 9.
Wait. So Vihan has done the factors of 45 and he is saying what? Tell me now.
1,
1,
5,
5,
9,
9,
and 15,
and 15.
and
15 and 45. These are the factors, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So can we
Three.
check?
Ma'am, 3 left.
3 will also come here.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Vihan. In table of 3, 45 is coming. 45 is exactly divisible by 3. Okay. So now we will check it. 1 into 45 is 45. In table of 2, 45 is not coming, and 45 is not exactly divisible by 2. We have learned divisibilities, right? And we have learned the divisibility of 3, how to check that this number is divisible by 3 or not. We need to add these two numbers. 4 plus 5 is 9. And 9 is exactly divisible by 3. So that we can say that 3 is the factor of 45. How many times? 3 ones are 3 and 3 fives are 15. 15 times 45 comes. Am I clear till here how to check, how to apply the divisibilities here? How to check whether number is divisible by not? Yes or no? We have done all the divisibilities. Now this number is divisible by 4. Can you please apply the divisibility of 4 here? Vrushika.
No, ma'am. In 4 tables, there
45 is not coming. So we take the 5. How many times? 45 comes? 9s are 45. Now, after 5 is in table of 6, 45 comes?
No, ma'am.
In table of 7, 45 comes. Sarah, you are doing?
Ma'am.
Have you understood till here?
Ma'am, you. Okay, nothing. No,
In table of 7, 45 comes?
no ma'am.
In table of 8, 45 comes?
No, ma'am.
In table of 9, 45 comes?
Yes, ma'am. 9.
So I will write 9 again.
Yes. No, ma'am. Because it will be repeated. So we have to
So
stop.
we will stop.
So we will
Right?
not.
Yes, if the number started repeating, we will not write and we will take a U method and we will write all the factors in the U which are covering 1, 3, 5, 9, 15 and 45. I will not put comma here. I will write and 45. So can we match with the Vivan he has given? So Vivan, just only you have not written 3. You have to write 3 also. 3 is also a factor of 45. Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
This way you have to find the factors of 27 and 50 and tell me the answers tomorrow. So now I will tell you how to find the common factors. You know how to calculate the factors? You have done how to find the common multiples in the multiples topic, right? But in multiples, you will get in the question some limit. right? Write the first two common multiples, write the first five common multiples, because multiples are endless, right? Multiples are unlimited. Are you all getting me? Yes, in multiples topics, when we were finding the multiples or the common multiples, we were having certain limit. In questions also, they will give you some limit because multiples are unlimited. So, but in factors are not unlimited, right? So, in factors, which are the common factors of two numbers? So, you have to find all the common factors between the two numbers. I will show you one example. Please write along with me in the notebook. Find the common multiples of 10 and 6. So before finding the common multiples, you should know what are, find the common factors.
Ma'am, we have to do a notebook.
Yes. Find the common factors of 10 and 6. Before finding the common factors, you need to find the factors. Then only you will come to know what are the common factors. So find the common factors.
Yes.
I don't have space, so I'm doing half part here and half here. You will have the enough space in the notebooks. You have to go lengthwise only. Am I clear till here?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Factors of 10.
So first you need to find the factors of 10 and then you need to find the factors of 6. So what are the factors of 10? 1 into 10 is 10. Devanshi, can you tell me the next factor?
5 2s are 10.
We directly can't jump to the 5. We go step by step.
We go to 2 5s are 10.
Then
In table of
now
3,
Aheli, next factor.
5
Aheli, Devanshi,
5
Aheli.
2s are 10. 5 2s are 10.
2s are 10.
Devanshi, Aheli will answer me. Aheli, in table of 3 tens come.
No, ma'am.
In table of 4 10 comes.
No.
In table of 5 10 comes.
Yes, ma'am.
I
But
will write for
we will
tell
not
me.
take that because it's repeating.
Yes. So what are the now factors of 10?
1 and 2.
1,
1, no.
1,
Take
2,
all.
10.
1, 2, 5
1 2
and
5 10. 10.
10. Now find the factors of 6. Arush, tell me which will be the
Six.
first.
6.
Arush,
1 6.
1 into 6 is 6. Vedansh, next. Next factor.
2 3s are 6.
2 into 3 is 6. Next.
3
Sarah,
2s are
next.
6.
Sarah, next.
3 2s are 6.
Do we write 3 2s are 6 here now?
No, ma'am, because it is repeating.
Yes. So we take the U method, U turn. Right? 1, 2, 3, and 6 are the factors of 6. Now you came to know these are the factors of 10 and these are the factors of 6. Now we have to find out
Ma'am,
which
time is
are
up.
the. Yes, only 1 minute more. Now we have to know, we have to find out which are the common factors which are in 10 and which are in 6. So you need to circle them. Can you please tell me which are the common factors?
Ma'am, 1 and 2.
1 and 2 and 1 and 2. So what are the common factors? At last you will write common factors are 1 and 1 comma 2. When I will give you in the Google form to find the common factors, you just only have to, if there are more common factors, please keep your mics off. If there are more common factors, you just have to put the comma and keep on writing. Okay.
Ma'am, we
Here
have to
you
not
will, in
write and
common
then-
factors, you will not write and. Only one factors are there, then you will write 1 and 2. And if it is more then you will write comma. There is no, this is not in a rule, but Google form only accept this. That is why, right?
Yes, ma'am. And ma'am, time is also.
Yes, yes. So you came to know now how to find the common factors.
So ma'am, we have to write 1 and 2.
I know
Yeah. When there are only two factors, then you write 1 and 2.
Yes, ma'am.
When there are more than common factors, more than 2, then you write, keep on putting the commas and writing. Okay? Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Am I clear to everyone?
Bye, ma'am. Yes, yes,
Please do today's Google form
Yes, ma'am.
same day and send it to me. Thank you to you
ma'am.
all.
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you.
Bye, ma'am.